I got one question from Nishi about it would be helpful for us if you show us how to fill up 7 KDP boxes. So she's asking to help her with the boxes, 7 KDP boxes, how I fill it. And I'm going to take one example of manifestation journal which I have explained in my previous videos. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it, and I have also given the keywords for free. Link is in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can download the keywords as well. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and if you're watching me for the very first time, uh, in this channel I talk about KDP business. So if you're interested in such kind of passive income, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already supporting me, thank you so much. It truly motivates me to upload more and more knowledgeful video for you guys. So yeah, let's go and let's explain how I do my 7 KDP boxes. So this is the keywords and this is my KDP platform. So the first thing is I'm going to fill up is book title. So for now I'm going to take example. The first book title is Manifestation Journal. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this as my book title. Okay, so this is my book title. And then the second thing is the subtitle. You can choose Manifestation Journal for beginners as well, but I will write something like uh, cool manifestation journal for beginners uh, with with pretty flower cover, blue and pink, something like this. Okay, after doing this I will go ahead, you will obviously go ahead and you will put your author name. You do not need to put the contributor name because you are working like as a solo person, so there is no contributor here. And then the description that you will fill the publishing dates. And now coming to the keywords, the 7 boxes keywords, right? So now there is two things. First thing is that obviously I will show you how I fill my boxes with the help of these keywords. Plus, I will also show you how I put my other relevant keywords, which is good according to the sales of our book. Okay, how it is relevant to the user. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see, like we have done our manifestation journal, so we will not repeat it, okay. So we have done journal for beginners for black women. So what I will do is I will just use this manifestation journal for black women. So I will select black woman and I will put it down here. Why I'm not selecting manifestation journal for? Because I have already used in my title and subtitle. Then black woman for men's for teen. So I will go ahead and the second one is like men and then teens and then women. Men, teens, women I have already used, so I will not use it. 2022. So 2022. What is this? Let me see. Law of attraction. Okay, so I will simply go ahead and I will copy it, or I will write it simply, law of attraction. Then notebook, so I will put notebook. What's then planner? I will put planner. Bulk, it is not bulk, so obviously I will not create your reality. So create your reality. Again, notebook, planner, daily letter, daily letter, evil eye. We will go ahead and I will put evil eye. Then woman of color, so I can write woman of color. What's next? Woman to fill in, to fill in. Next is what? Goals, so you can put goals. So these are the keywords that I'm using from the I have the sheet, right? So goals. Similarly, you will go ahead and you will fill the boxes. So this is the first kind of keyword that I used. Now coming to the second type of keyword, that is the relevant keyword, and also the keywords which brings sales, also the keywords which is equivalent to the user used keyword, I will say, because user obviously type these words when they look for such kind of books. Okay, so if you think of manifestation, what do you think of any other word or phrases that comes into your mind? Okay, if you know manifestation, that means it is a kind of law of attraction, which people uses to make their dream into reality, right? So the thing that I got right now is I can also feel manifesting, right? What I can do, for example, I can do scripting. This is my next thing that I can think of when it comes to manifestation journal. What next? It can be a gift to someone, it can be a present to someone. In UK they call gift as a present, that's why I have written present over here. Also, what it can be next, let me think. It can be gifted to your mother, it can be gifted to your father, to mom, dad, granny, grandmother. Similarly, grandfather you can write. Son, I can write daughter. What next? You can also gift it to any senior, any elderly. You can gift it to, you can gift to your friend. Why not, right? You can gift it to your co-worker. You see, there are a lot of things. Also, what do you think else when it comes to manifesting? Uh, dreams into reality, I said, right? Here it is, create your reality. That means dreams into reality. So dreams, here is goals. So what is the alternative of goals? Aim, right? Dream is also alternative of goals. It could be, right? Aim. What next? So you're getting the idea, like how I'm thinking about this, right? So you will go ahead and you will fill the boxes. If you're not getting any idea, that's okay, you can leave it as it is. It is not compulsory that you will fill all the things, okay? So it is quite easy, it is quite fruitful, and it is logical steps that I did. So yeah, that's all for the day. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to watch the manifestation video, I will leave the link in the description and in the comment box as well, so you can go ahead and you can watch it. You can download the sheets as well from the shop that I had provided you, and the link in the description. So yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's all, and I will see you in the next video.